Well, we just left the not the 75, dadgummit, the Randy's Chrome Shop. And we would have got it 75 Chrome Shop, but they didn't have it in the color that we needed. Look right here. Got a green gear shifter knob. I'll figure out how to hold the daggum thing up here. Give me just a second. See what it's looking at. Yeah, right there. Okay. So, as you can tell, looks pretty decent, but my review on this thing, I don't like it. You know why? And look right here. Look at that. Get over real close on it. They didn't even paint the whole dang thing. And this is well, it came with this little thing right here. I didn't open it up here a minute ago. But having this nice aluminum insert looks awesome. Little thin plastic about like a Coca-Cola can made out of. But I mean, for the price, you can't beat it. $40. Hey, whatever, right? And usually the more cheap ones, and you can get a real aluminum one. They about $130 though. They don't even come with this. This about $5 extra. So. Well, yeah, that for this time. Next time we'll go back and get a dadgum old I find somewhere to set the dadgum thing. Yeah, right there. We'll go back next time and get the chrome collar on it. We had to come over here, hurry up, get this load of cow poop. I don't know what they needed in a hurry for, but you know, whatever. Put this back in there. Oh, and they gave us these little, it came with this little pamphlet here. I don't know how good y'all can see it, but see that? Please be sure to tell. That way, let me find that. I showed it to y'all. It says, keep out of reach of children. Well, what's a gear shifter knob gonna do? Make them learn how to shift some gears? But, you know, whatever. Got that. That came in a box. And then gave us $10 off since it's our first time there. That's these cute little stickers. Might stick it right here on the window or something, I don't know. Ain't made up my mind. Gotta ask Papa. Because of course it's his truck. Well, mine ain't his, we share it. So, but yeah, then they gave us a Randy's catalog. They down here in Ocala, Florida. Exit 354. They just have opened up, so. And then you get this little book, good looking little book. I think it's $8.75. We got that free, that $10 off. So. But yeah, we got the fertilizer off today actually in Tampa. So, yeah, that's about it. But we got the stern wheel over there to match the gear shifter. Pretty good. Don't look at the tree, it's nasty right now. Somebody didn't take the daggum trash out of the truck stop. Wonder who that was. The Holt didn't. I'm telling you that much. He did not do his job. He was supposed to take the daggum trash out. He didn't do it. You know, so flip on the Holt. Put him in the windshield. Punish him. Flip on him. Hang him up in the window somehow or another. There we go. Here, y'all watch this. Y'all ready? Ah. There we go. It'll sit right up in there. But, okay, I get we've arrived. But now you ain't gotta keep telling me. But yeah, we're getting some of that right there. That old nasty crap. Stinks. Hard to load. Everything else. But you know, whatever. We'll do it. Either way. It don't matter. It makes money. Money, money. And honey's honey. Oh, y'all see? Well, they ain't even in there. Dadgummit. And tell me what y'all think about putting a battery down the exhaust. Will it really make it louder? My papa said it would. My dream, but you know, which I ain't always believe everything the elders tell us. Gosh, might be wrong. Hey, look. It says, well, they ain't got them no more. It says share a coat. Know what I mean? Mostly with me. You share one with me. But let's clean off the dadgum trash that somebody left out. But yeah, it's a good little book. They ain't got much in the shop right now, but the place is huge. I mean, it is huge. Overall, it's a good little shop. It's bigger than the 75 Chrome shop. They ain't got much stuff in there. We talked to the man in there, and he said that they just had opened it up. So they ain't done their grand opening yet. So they still trying to get some stuff in there. And we went to 75 Chrome shop this morning. Forgot to video that, but got some t-shirts. Would have got the gear shifter there. They didn't have it though. Got some long sleeve. See there? Look good on me, don't it? Actually, ain't mine. It's my grandma and my great-grandma's. So we're going to Louisville this weekend. I'd have something to go on. They match, so. How that bad is. But I'll try to shoot y'all another video sometime or other. Was gonna get a new bumper. They had it already ordered. Well, talked to the man about it. Then the dispatcher calls. Oh, we need to go pick up a load over here. Well, keep the bumper right out of the water. And it was cheap too. $300, 18-inch Texas square. And you can't beat that. Hardest. Low fat. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, hardest. Dad, you unplaying it? That ain't it. Oh, I just show y'all something real quick. Pop this right here out. Whatever you do, that's too big. Do not buy these. We made a big mistake when we bought them. Should have never bought some of them. They jumped. As you can tell, they're broke. Gotta get some new ones. We got some aluminum ones, like this here. They got aluminum ones built into the thing right here. Y'all ordered the whole panel. It's custom. We got it from getting it from 4 State. It's totally worth the money. Well, I just show it to y'all. It's hard to take them things out. But look right here. You see this? Look right there. If I find my finger. That right there. Went to go do that the other day. Tilted up. It's getting cold. Shoot, it broke. Right here, it broke. This one right here, missing 2. Look, you can't even turn this on. It's so tight. See, look, it's missing those down there on the bottom. This right here, loose. Look at that. And we replaced the panels on the truck. Like, you know, maybe it's just the panel. This over here, look at that, just fall right out. I had y'all here till it pop off. I'll see y'all sometime later.